Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide the location in your RedNote app. Really easy and simple, guys. So you don't really do this from the app itself. What you're going to do is you're going to close the app and then go to the settings on your device, okay? So right here, this is my settings. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to choose the apps right here. So we're going to go to app management. And there, we're going to click on app list. We're going to go look at all the apps we currently have. And then you're going to find RedNote around R. So we should see RedNote just about now right here. Here we go. RedNote is right here. Open that up. Now you want to go ahead and click on permissions. Now, these are the allowed permissions we have given this app. Right here, it says location. It accessed this about 1 minute ago, as you can see. Click on this. Then what you're going to do is click on don't allow. Okay. Now RedNote does not have access to our location, and it's really that easy and simple, guys.